In this video, we'll see when a user logs in for the first time, how does the project look like. Okay, so you are a new user assigned to a project and you're logging for the first time. What are the names of the different elements, why they used, and so on. So if you want to log in, that is the URL you have to put, rm/web. RM stands for requirement management and the web. And once I press enter, okay, it comes to this place, JTS authorization required. JTS stands for Jazz Team Server. Jazz Team Server. Now I have been given a username and password, that's a user ID and password for that project. So I'll just put the username, that is Pavan L and Pavan L here. So the reason I'm using this password, I am not using the admin part. Admin can do many things. As a user, as an author, as project admin, what are the things I can do it? This user has all the privileges as the author, commentator, the Jazz admin, everything. So I'll just click on this login button. Once I click on login, it will directly navigate to that place where I belong to. I mean, it says all the projects. One user might be tagged to multiple projects. So I am tagged to two projects, HDFC, HSBC bank projects. Two projects I have tagged. So if I have been tagged to multiple projects, I'll get list of all the projects. So next thing is, if you see, that's a local host. For my PC, I have installed the server on this place. I'm using the client on my place itself. Remember, this URL, I can use it anywhere all across the world. But instead of local host, I have to give the IP address. When I put the IP address, I can use it any place all across. So instead of local host, I can use 192.168 and so on. Here if you see, that's local host. Instead of local host, the IP address will be displayed. If you want to navigate to any project, you have to just click on that link itself, HDFC or HSBC. Okay, so on that HSBC, if you do not want to go to that project, if you want to go to specific area, let's say artifacts, dashboard, anything, you can just click on that link. Right now what I'll do is, I'll just click on this HSBC bank project and I've been navigated to this place. So it says HSBC bank project, and now that's the name of the project. Okay, and that is in this place is project dashboard. So project dashboard is what I'll try to explain you. But on the right hand side, if you see, that's a person who has logged in. That is the stream and the baseline, which you have a detailed topic. So stream and baselines are given here. That right now it's a stream given. And here if you see, let's see now the project dashboard. Project dashboard is same like you get a notification on any Facebook or Orkut or different social networking sites. Any person who has sent you a request, a message, a notification, it will pop up, give you a pop-up itself on the top place. Similarly, in a project member, in any person who has tagged you in the comments or reviews, anything, it will be shown on this place. So here your time will be saved instead of sending an email, reminder on phone, anything. Okay. Now it says my requirement projects, you are tagged to this two projects. If someone tags me to some more project, it will keep automatically added here. Okay. Similarly, what are the recent changes done in HSBC bank project? So every changes which are made, it will be shown here. It says 30 minutes ago, this was the change done on this place itself. Same way, I can keep on getting recent changes. Any comments are done in this projects. Anybody has put a comment on any person, it will be shown in this place itself comment. So imagine like a Facebook, any person puts a comment, you get a notification. Any person does a chatting, you get a news feed. So news feed and comments are given in this place itself. On the right hand side, if you see, what are the project members in HSBC bank project? So these are all the members, user 2, user 3, admin and Pavan L. These are the members. Some more users are added, you can just add the user itself. And there is the last one is reviews. What are the reviews? What are the comments on the reviews? Everything can be seen here. Now, if you think I want to add some more thing, let's say some more bookmarks, some more widgets, anything, you can click on this add widget. Now, what is widget? This area is nothing but a widget. This area is nothing but a widget. So you can keep on adding the widgets. So we have something detailed in dashboards, which you'll see later. But for time being, these are the dashboard which is seen for the first time itself, right? And at any place, if you think what is exactly this project dashboard, if you see there's a small question mark, if you just keep your cursor there, I'll just keep the cursor there, I'll not click on that. So it will give you the detail what exactly is the project dashboard, why it is used, some detailed information. Also, it will give you a link where you can jump to that help menu also, and you can find out the details about the project dashboard. So this way you can keep on creating your dashboard. It's taking time. I'll just keep on click on this plus. So this way you can keep on creating your dashboard itself. So where you can see the things. And yeah, I'll just go to this place. So that's it. So that's all about the project dashboard when the user logs in for the first time, where he'll be navigated and what things you can see. That's all for this video.